Go back. So here, once you come onto the main screen, it shows dental applications, and there are two areas. One is the pathologies and other is the manual area. Now what is the difference is it has some built-in programs which you can use, select with a touch screen and go and select any program, let's say. And here I can change the parameters during surgery. Sometimes if you need to increase or decrease power or change to pulse settings, you can change it, but in the pathologies area, once you switch off the machine, it will come back to the original settings. And when you go to the manual area, there you can store the same programs with your own settings as well as there. Now, let us say if I've chosen here, now it is continuous watt. Here it gives you the average power, and this is the duty cycle. In the duty cycle, you will know that for how much time it will is on and how much time it is off. So typically, we are using about 50% duty cycle, that on time is same and off time is also the same. But then there are certain procedures which may demand that you have one cycle on and 3 cycles off. They come down to 25% duty cycle. In that case, you will have to choose something around 5 or 6 watts of power on the machine to be able to deliver actual 1.5 watt for the average power to be delivered there. So that is also a very critical criteria of utilizing the machines, because I've seen people who have bought machines with 2.5 watt, and after 6 months they're then asking, there is a way to exchange the machine, because then you realize later, low power machines are meant typically for clinics which have high power machines, and they can do some bit of work with the lesser investment on the other chair. But it shouldn't be the first machines for that. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Sir, back to you. Yes. Take it.
Sir, if you come little closer.
Yeah, okay, Varsha, we have another case which requires a bit of a gingivectomy. As you can see, there's a little overlap. Okay? This is about 3 millimeters. Inject, yeah. Not been injected?
Anesthesia injection. Kotra? They've given the
They've given? He was feeling it. So. Yeah, I think what I would prefer to do in this case, because it's only 2-3 millimeters, I don't want him going into a recession. We will just go into the pocket and just lace it. There's a little bleeding on probing here between canine and this thing. That's right. And maybe a bit of contouring, because if you see, this part of the papilla is sort of covering the left central. We can perhaps just partly do a little bit of a gingivoplasty. So first I will just do a little bit of a plasty, then we will do the pocket debridement.
So you need to prepare if I cut the tip.
Yeah.
So you see now it is in perfect round shape.
Yeah.
So this is one very good feature.
So
of
we
this.
can.
Just want to show that we cut the fiber, and then you see. Yeah. You see here, this is a perfect round spot when we cut.
Listen, Varsha. See, after we use that fiber, we snipped off the end of the fiber. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. But now to see whether your cut is okay, you should see a full circle. Can you see it on the glove? That means whatever cut has been fine. And now we just fire the fiber again. That's it. No. Huh? Yeah. Don't look this side. I'm telling him. No, it's done. Pain?
No in the area?
Low anesthesia, then I can make it pulse.
No. We'll see. Sir, for them it is not. Yeah.
Can you see? We are doing it at 3 watts. Yeah. See, just a little bit. Very, very little. Can you see the little bit of the gingival tissue that was overlapping here? I've just recontoured it. That's right. Now I'm going to reduce the power to 2 watts, and then we'll just go around like a pocket debridement. The angle has to be totally towards the gingiva and not towards the tooth.
Shall I make it pulse now?
Yeah.
I'll make it.
And we are doing it in the pulsed mode. And duty cycle of 50, that means it will be on off. So if it is 50 milliseconds,
Off and 50 milliseconds.
okay,
You want 2 or 2.5 watt?
that's okay, 50 is okay. See, now you see on the machine, it is on for 50 milliseconds and it is off for 50 milliseconds. So that is also like a chopped mode. It is on, off, for equal amount of time. Yeah. Just turn like this. Now, see, I'm just going around, sweeping action right into the pocket. All my this thing is on the flap. Yeah. Since it has only been a few days, I think he has got his scaling done. I'm sure there's going to be a little more recession. So we're not going to do too much. But I want you to focus on the tip, that little bit of the granulations or the lining that adheres on the fiber, that has to be just cleaned off. Can you see that? Okay? I don't think we need to do too much else for this patient. He will shrink for sure.
Fine, sir. I'll change the patient.
Yeah. Okay? Huh. Lot of recession. Sharad, how many more cases are there? I'll need some gloves. Yeah. Okay, just watch. Mr. Aneja is snipping off the fiber. Just focus on that.
Yeah, but don't focus the light on me.
No, don't worry, it is not coming. Pardon?
Sorry?
The gauge of the needle.
No, the needle is just to, make from a straight to contra angle. Yeah. She's for depigmentation. Ravi, which side has she been injected? Both sides?
Both sides are given, sir, whichever is convenient.
Okay.
One of the previous students is doing a thesis on this.
Then, yeah. Let he or she.